Hello, I'm Naresh Khanna from Indian Printer and Publisher and Packaging South Asia. And I'm here on the afternoon of the first day of the Printpack exhibition. This is 1st February, and as many of you know, this is Budget Day in India, as well as being the opening day of the Printpack exhibition, which is a very big exhibition for the Indian printing and packaging industry. I'm here with Ranesh Bajaj of Winsack, who's an old friend of mine. And of course, I'm older, but we are old friends. However, Ranesh is a manufacturer of equipment in India, in the Middle East, and in Spain, in Barcelona, in Dubai, and in Mumbai. So Ranesh, what is your impression of the Printpack exhibition and what you are showing here, and what kind of reception do you accept? What is happening in the industry?
Hi Naresh, happy to have you as usual, old friends that we are. Okay, so Printpack has always been a great show for us because you get a lot of people coming over from the sheet-fed industry or commercial printers who are trying. It's a more broader show. It's not a very focused show similar to the Label Expo and all of that. Here at this year we are showing, of course, our Rotatek range of web offset presses that we have now launched, and we are trying to push them into the commercial market. We have our digital finishing solutions, also showing a roll-to-sheet solution for the label decor for high-end finishing, embellishment, making book covers, and trying to add value to your print, including photo albums and things like that. We have our other partners. We work with the Lombardi, Flexo presses, Schober from Germany, and of course all of our brand protection solutions, including our softwares and the inks. So that's the whole range, and we have a decently sized booth this time, so I'm quite pleased with that.
Yeah, I should have mentioned that.
Yeah.
Ranesh is, of course, not only an OEM, not only a manufacturer, but also a very established distributor of brands like Lombardi and Schober and several other security products, which are used by the highest level of security printing, even by the government, if I may say so. And so I wanted to ask you specifically, Ranesh, how is the Rotatek acquisition going? Have you been able to stabilize the manufacturing and the sales? Are you breaking even?
So Naresh, of course it's been a tough call. It's been a year and a half now since we took over the operation. We've really grown. When we started, there were 19 people. We are now up to 34, 35 people as we speak, full-time on our roles and some contractual as well. 2024 has been a good year for us. We will have a cash break-even. So that's been also great. So it's no longer a load on the group, but it's actually taking care of itself.
I believe you have some notable sales.
We have
in tough markets.
So we sold into Ireland to the Smurfit Kappa Group, the government of Ireland, for doing security stamps. We are building another press for an East European country, which is being delivered as we speak. We have some orders from Dubai and Abu Dhabi. But the market, our focus has been our Universal 850, which is an 850 mm wide press that we are going to push specifically for pharmaceutical leaflets and for pharmaceutical packaging, where we can compete very strongly against the sheet-fed market, especially for thin papers. We already have the first order going to a company in France, being delivered in this month, and subsequently we have done trials for the world-leading manufacturers of such products. So that's been a positive.
That's pretty quick, huh?
Yes.
You made it work.
I know.
Fantastic.
It's taken, yeah.
Fantastic.
Thank you so much. It's always the good wishes.
What do you see the overall show of the industry? Because now you're in Africa, you're in Europe, Eastern Europe, India,
So like I
East
said,
Asia. What's hot? What's going to happen?
So Europe is picking up. Europe is picking up really well. You should see that Eastern Europe is really improving a lot. Eastern Europe is actually improving a lot. We are seeing a lot of growth in packaging companies there. Middle East has stabilized, but more than that, Saudi Arabia has been a key market. We just opened a service company in Saudi Arabia to serve our customers better. We've already had the first few sales already there. That's picking up. India has been always, it's always our volume market. We always sell the highest amount of, we may not make the most amount of money here, but surely we sell the highest amount of stuff or machinery that we do. So we still turn around a number of presses. With the government, we have some key projects going on in India as well now. So we should be working strongly on those markets.
I believe you're doing well with the Lombardi presses.
Lombardi has always
also
been
for
growing.
the packaging?
Sure. In last year, we did, I think, about 12 presses special packaging for in-mold labels, special applications, aluminium blister for pharma. We have case studies of going into pharma companies and setting up quick change systems to do their blister in-house, not having to depend on an outsourced gravure printer. So that's been. But also on the Lombardi now we have a lot of competition from the Indian Flexo manufacturers. So the bespoke market is the only thing that's left. The generic market is now taken over.
Okay, only special presses.
Only special presses.
And good
you
money,
cannot justify. It's always a point of discussion, what good or what bad.
Okay, wonderful.
Yeah? Good.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.